Hello everyone, this is Manjunath from Kolar. I'm a software guy working in an MNC in Bangalore. This is my first video on YouTube, so if I do make any mistakes, please ignore. In this video, I'll tell you how I made up to 4 lakhs during lockdown. This 4 lakhs doesn't include my salary. I'll break down this money into 3 parts. Part 1 being money from X, Part 2 being money from rabbits, Part 3 being money from country chicken or desi murgi. Now coming to part 1, we do layer farming. We use BV380 breed. Our capacity is 1000 birds, but right now we have around 700 birds. So out of 700 birds, we get around 580 to 600 eggs every day. Let me tell you, these eggs are free from any sort of injections or hormones. So on an average, we sell each egg at rupees 7. So 580 eggs per day into 7 rupees will give us 4060 rupees. So every bird consumes around 120 gram of feed per day. Right now, the cost of 1 kg of feed is about rupees 24. So we use about 84 kilos of feed every day. So 24 into 84 kilos would be around 2016 rupees. So daily profit would be 4060 minus 2016. That's approximately around 2000 rupees per day. So per month it would be around 60,000 rupees just from the eggs. So for the last 4 months it would be 4 into 60,000, which is approximately 2,40,000 rupees. I'll just show you the BV380 farm. So this is the shed where we have placed BV380 and rabbit in the same shed. The first part has BV380 setup, and the second part, which is the longer part, has a rabbit setup. I'll just lock the door. So these are the BV380 ends which we have. So you can see the brown eggs laid by them. So you can also see the feed, which is basically a mixture of soya, maize, rice bran oil, and all other things. So you can see the eggs laid by the ends. So this, we have two sides. So this is almost this, we have cleared off most of the ends in this part of the cages, because the ends are almost uh, or more than 1 year old. So we are just clearing off the first this batch. We will have to get a new batch very soon. So you can see the eggs laid by the ends. Part 2 is rabbit farming. We sell rabbits for pets, breeders, and most of them goes for rabbit meat. We have planned in such a way that in every 45 days we sell about 300 kilos of rabbit meat. So we sell live rabbits at the price of about rupees 230 to rupees 300 per kg live weight. So 300 kilos into 230 rupees would be around 69,000 rupees. So out of which 40% will be our expenses and the remaining 60% will be our profit. You can see the rabbit cages and the rabbits inside the cages. I'm sorry about the camera. I'll just show you around. This is one brooding hen. So 60% of the profit would be around 40,000 rupees every 45 days. So we in lockdown we had about 3 sales, that is 40,000 into 3, that would be around 1.2 lakhs during the lockdown. So behind, I guess you can see the BV380 farm, which is on the other side of the shed, and this side we have the rabbit farm, rabbit cages. So part 3 we also do country chicken or desi chicken farming, which is totally free range, and we also breed pure asils. Asils are known for their fighting skills. They are basically called the fighting roosters. I'll show you the country chicken which is outside the farm, which is basically in the free range part of the farm. So these are the desi chickens which come here for the shade, and there are few more here and few more here, and lot more are inside the farm eating grass or insects inside the farm, inside the green thing which you're seeing there. So we have a different shed for the desi chicken. So I guess you can see a few more of hens here and the rooster sitting in the shade. These are just the 20% of the hens here. About remaining 80% would be inside the farm, grazing or picking insects there. So inside this shed we have two partitions. So one is for the desi chickens to stay here, and inside this we have a pure breed of Asil rooster and 6 hens which we have left for breeding to get pure Asils. So they can't come out of this cage. And over there you can see 3 plastic crates being placed. That's for the hens to lay eggs. So once they lay eggs there, we collect it from them. So that is the feeder where we put some homemade feed that is consisting of ragi, soya, maize and all other things. And over there the red one is the water where we give fresh water daily. So from the desi chicken we kind of don't keep a track of how much we earn or how much exactly we earn. We earn an approximate, it's around from between 10,000 to 2,000 rupees per month depending on the demand as well. So usually if we are talking about the Asils, the roosters we sell anywhere between 5,000 to 10,000 rupees, just the one single rooster. If it's desi chicken meat, we sell at rupees 500 per kilo. Basic, it's free range, it's free of any injections, antibiotics or hormones, right? So we have placed a little bit slightly higher price. So it's like 10,000 to 20,000 per month would be for 4 months it would be anywhere between 40,000 to 80,000 rupees. So the total income would be 2.4 lakhs from the eggs, about 1.2 lakhs from rabbits, and this thing even if we keep an approximate of 50,000 from desi chicken, that would be 2.4 plus 1.2 is 3.6 plus 50,000 would be 4.1 lakhs. 4.1 lakhs. That is the profit which we are making. Apart from this, we also have one more expense, that is salary or wages for the helper who works here. So we pay him around 12,000 rupees per month. So 12,000 into 4 months would be 48,000. Round it off to 50,000. Let's remove 50,000 from 4.1 lakhs. That would anyway around be 3.6 lakhs during the lockdown. I'll just add a clip of the desi chickens in my farm feeding. I have some few clips. I'll also add the BV380 farm videos from my gallery. Like when we had 1000 capacity birds, I have a video. I'll just share it, add it in the video. So I have told you how we make about 3.6 lakhs or 4 lakhs every 3-4 months, right? So in the next video, I'll be telling you in a lot more in detail about the BV380 farming, rabbit farming and desi chicken farming. How we can earn a side income of about 1 lakhs to 2 lakhs per month. So if you want to get notification about the video, please do subscribe, like and share.